Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the rotate tool and all its features. Let's begin. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain the use of the rotate tool. You use this tool to rotate elements around an axis. In a floor plan, reflected ceiling plan, elevation, and section views, elements rotate around an axis perpendicular to the view. In 3D views, the axis is perpendicular to the work plane of the view. To rotate elements, you can either do one of the following methods. First, select the elements to rotate, go to the Modify panel, and then click Rotate. Alternatively, you can first click the Modify tab, Modify panel, and select the Rotate tool. Now, select the elements to rotate, and then press Enter. When you are rotating an object, there are two important things to note: the pivot point, or center of rotation, and the rotation reference lines. The pivot point. This will be the point of the center of rotation. This point can be anywhere in your model, and it doesn't necessarily need to be located on the element. The default location for the pivot point is the center of the element. The rotation line reference. Click to specify the start point of the rotation angle. A temporary reference line displays its position. Move the cursor to place the endpoint for the rotation angle. A second reference line, and a temporary angular dimension displays as you rotate. Also, a preview image shows the selection rotating. Click to place the endpoint and finish rotating the selection. The selected elements rotate between the first and second reference lines. Regards to setting the rotation angle, you have three choices. Just move your cursor clockwise or anti-clockwise in the active view and click your mouse button to set the angle of rotation. Use other objects to snap to for both the start and end angles. Enter the exact angle of rotation by simply typing it on your keyboard after you have first clicked to set the start angle. As soon as I hit enter on my keyboard, the object will be rotated. Let's now look at the options you have when rotating elements. As soon as you activate the rotate command, you will see the following options available on the options bar. Disjoin. This allows you to disjoin an element before it is rotated. For example, you may wish to rotate a wall instance that is currently joined to another. If you don't disjoin the wall instance first, the second wall instance will stretch or rotate to maintain the join. You may or may not require this behavior. Copy. When the object is rotated, you have the option to leave a copy of the element in its original location. By default, this option is turned off. Angle. This field allows you to enter the angle of rotation straight into the options bar. Center of rotation. Use this button to relocate the center of rotation. The default location for the center of rotation is at the center of the element itself. Just click the button place and then select the new location for the rotation point on the drawing area. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the center of rotation to the new location. Hover your cursor over the blue dot and then click and hold your mouse button. While still holding the mouse button, simply drag the pivot point to a new location. It will automatically snap to corners, endpoints, junctions, etc.